My name is Berysin Salomon, and on behalf of the Council of the Royal Family of Pingelap Incorporated, we welcome you all back as we continue broadcasting Pingelapese local news to you through our newly created website, pingelap.com. On September 10th, His Majesty Doahkaesa met with the Japan Ambassador Masaki Sakai, seeking potential grant opportunities for a project that the Council would like to realize in the near future. The proposed project is to create a traditional community house that would be located in the most accessible, most populated Pingelapese community in Pohnpei that would host all Pingelapese traditional activities, education and health awareness programs, and other activities that falls in the interest of promoting Pingelapese traditional values in today's modern society. There are other projects that the Council is currently seeking supporters involving energy, education, health, and ecotourism. The latest project can be found on Indiegogo.com. You can click on the link in the descriptions of the video. You can also find it on our website and social networks. The Council invites the international and domestic community for your support, as the Council is aiming to complete proposed projects before year 2030, closely following the steps United Nations has set forth in the 70th United Nations General Assembly at the UN Sustainable Development Summit. September 25th through the 27th, the UN Sustainable Development Summit was held at the UN headquarters in New York to formally adopt a new Sustainable Development Agenda. The agenda is considered unique as it calls upon the entire planet, all countries, and people from all levels of income to action. The Prime Minister of India, His Excellency Narendra Modi, also addresses the adoption of the post-2015 Development Agenda in New York at the UN Summit. On September 25th, 193 UN members had unanimously adopted the new Sustainable Development Agenda, entitled Transforming Our World 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development. The agenda, as UN Secretary General Ban Ki-moon describes it, is the People's Agenda, a plan of action for ending poverty in all its dimensions, irreversibly everywhere, and leaving no one behind. He also said the new agenda is a promise by leaders to all people everywhere. It is a universal, integrated, and transformative vision for a better world. Pope Francis also said during His Holiness's address at the General Assembly that the adoption of the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development at the World Summit is an important sign of hope. Other famous political figures like US President Barack Obama attended the General Assembly and also addressed the Sustainable Development Agenda. There are 17 goals which the UN members are expecting to use as a guide to success by the year 2030. The Council recognizes all goals as important, especially to vanishing islands like ours, Pingelap. To name a few that has caught the Council's interest: Goal 1, end poverty in all its forms everywhere. Goal 5, achieve gender equality and empower all women and girls. Goal 7, ensure access to affordable, reliable, sustainable, and modern energy for all. And Goal 14, conserve and sustainably use the oceans, seas, and marine resources for sustainable development. The entire list of goals can be found on their website at sustainabledevelopment.un.org with other press materials, or click on the following link in the video descriptions. And to top off today's broadcast, on October 17th, the Japan Embassy will host another Japan Festival, which takes place every year here in Pohnpei. This year, the festival will be at Our Lady of Mercy School Gymnasium by the Spanish Wall baseball field here in Colonia. The festivities will start in the afternoon from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. Expect to hear songs and dance from Colonia Elementary School students, calligraphy, games, origami, or you can dress up in Japan's casual summer kimono called a yukata and have your pictures taken and remember your one-day experience in Japan right here in Pohnpei. Again, we'd like to thank all our viewers and supporters for joining us today on Pingelap.com. You can also find us on Facebook, YouTube, Tumblr, Twitter, and Pinterest by searching the Council of the Royal Family of Pingelap Incorporated or typing the initials CRFP. If you have any questions or wish to provide financial or technical support for the Council, please do contact us on our website. My name is Berysin Salomon, and again, until next time, Casa